Tab. Researchers in a field called virtual rehabilitation expect real results for patients who need physical therapy to recover from stroke, illness, or injury. Projects underway at Rutgers combine robotics and virtual reality in the hope of making physical therapy both less boring and less expensive. Science and technology correspondent Patrick Regan reports.
Everybody wins, researchers say, if video games can make therapy more interesting for patients like this recovering stroke victim. Regaining the use of his arm depends on improving control of his shoulder, and that requires many repetitions of prescribed movements. Zapping boredom is just one of the goals Greg Bourdia and his students are aiming for. Where aging populations stretch resources thin, they envision systems that could extend the reach and even the duration of rehabilitation therapy, first to clinics and eventually to homes, where patients could be monitored online. For patients who can't see a video screen, there are touch-based interfaces. Ongoing collaboration with UMDNJ researchers Rich Zeminski and Alma Marians lets the Rutgers team test what virtual reality might be able to do for real patients.
The idea is, can we do it at their home? It will be much more pleasant, and at the same time, because they know they are monitored, they will actually do what the doctor tells them to do when they go home.
One project under development here challenges and rewards patients by revealing hidden pictures, one section at a time, as they bend their fingers in a prescribed way. In another version, the game is to try to grasp a butterfly that flits evasively around the screen. Both of these are based on the widely available and relatively inexpensive Xbox, demonstrating that cost need not keep this technology out of reach. Bourdia has organized an international virtual rehabilitation workshop that will bring together researchers, therapists, and biomedical engineering companies in New York City next week. He says the field is developing quickly, spurred by encouraging results.
There are 4 million stroke survivors in the United States, which don't get any rehab once they pass like 6 months to 9 months after their stroke. And for a long time, there has been a belief that nothing can be done with the chronic cases. And this belief is starting to crumble. Due to these projects here,